Welcome to this video on network marketing. In this scene, we will provide an introduction to network marketing and explain what it is all about. Network marketing, also known as multi-level marketing, is a business model where individuals become distributors of a company's products or services and earn commissions based on sales made by themselves and their recruited team members. It offers an opportunity for individuals to start their own business with low startup costs and the potential for unlimited income. Join us as we explore the essential tips for beginners in network marketing. Choosing the right network marketing company is crucial for success. In this scene, we will discuss the factors to consider when selecting a company to join. It is important to research the company's reputation, products or services, compensation plan, and support system. Look for a company that aligns with your values and offers quality products or services that you believe in. Additionally, consider the training and mentorship provided to help you succeed in your network marketing journey. Building a strong network is the core of network marketing. In this scene, we will share tips on how to build and expand your network. Start by creating a list of potential prospects, such as friends, family, and acquaintances. Build relationships with them based on trust and genuine interest. Attend networking events and join online communities related to your product or industry. Utilize social media platforms to connect with a wider audience. Remember, the larger and more engaged your network is, the greater your chances of success in network marketing. Selling is a key skill in network marketing. In this scene, we will discuss techniques to master the art of sales. Focus on understanding the needs and desires of your potential customers. Always provide value through your products or services and demonstrate how they can solve their problems or enhance their lives. Practice effective communication and listening skills to build rapport and trust with your customers. Remember, selling is about building relationships and offering solutions rather than being pushy or aggressive. Duplication and team building are vital for long-term success in network marketing. In this scene, we will explain the concept of duplication and how to build a successful team. Duplication means teaching and empowering others in your team to achieve the same level of success as you. Provide training, support, and mentorship to your team members to help them grow their own businesses. Foster a positive and collaborative team culture. Remember, the success of your team ultimately contributes to your own success in network marketing. Staying motivated and persistent is essential in network marketing. In this scene, we will share strategies to maintain motivation and overcome challenges. Set clear goals and create an action plan to achieve them. Surround yourself with positive and supportive individuals who uplift and cheer you on. Celebrate small wins along the way to keep the momentum going. Embrace failures as learning opportunities and stay persistent in your efforts. Remember, success in network marketing comes to those who stay focused and never give up.